Russian air defense forces shot down a Ukrainian Su-25 ground attack plane in the Kherson area over the past day during the special military operation in Ukraine, Defense Ministry spokesman Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov reported on Sunday. Air defense capabilities shot down a Ukrainian Air Force Su-25 aircraft near the settlement of Osakarovka in the Kherson region, the spokesman said. In the past 24 hours, Russian air defense systems intercepted 5 rockets of the HIMARS multiple launch rocket system and a HARM anti-radar missile of the Ukrainian army. In addition, they destroyed 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in areas near the settlements of Kremenets and Lipovoy in the Donetsk People's Republic, Sladkovodnoy and Sladkaya Balka in the Zaporozhye region, Olshiny, Kołomichika, Chervonaya Dubrova and Verkhnekamenka in the Lugansk People's Republic, the general reported. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed a large ammunition depot of the Ukrainian group of troops located on the territory of the Energomash Spetstal plant in Kramatorsk city, the ministry spokesman Igor Konashenkov said at a daily press briefing in Moscow. Konashenkov confirmed that operational tactical and army aviation had hit 24 military assets of the Ukrainian armed forces. Missile troops have destroyed 1 launcher of Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile system near Nikiforovka in the Donetsk People's Republic and 5 areas of AFU manpower and military equipment concentration, Konashenkov noted. In total, 151 aircraft and 112 helicopters, 742 unmanned aerial vehicles, 290 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,854 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, as well as 2,683 units of special military vehicles of the Armed Forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation, he added. Where these Su-25s could have come from and how many attack aircraft could have arrived in Ukraine. According to an analysis of open sources and the military balance for 2021, it can be seen that last year 5 Bulgarian and at least 3 Georgian Su-25s disappeared. Another 6 attack aircraft are reportedly in storage in Georgia. From these data, Defense Express journalists conclude that Ukraine could have received from the Allies from 8 to 14 Su-25, which were delivered as spare parts. In fact, the whole story is reminiscent of World War II, when the United States supplied Britain with fighters, leaving them in a field near the Canadian border. And the British dragged these planes on horseback. That time the United States did not want to tease Nazi Germany. This time some NATO countries do not want to tease Russiast Russia. We remind that the Su-25 Rook is an armored subsonic attack aircraft designed to provide air support in the combat zone. Kind of a Soviet version of the Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II. The aircraft is survivable and, like the previously mentioned Mi-24, participated in many wars of the late XX, early 21st century. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, Ukraine inherited 92 Su-25 attack aircraft. At the beginning of the invasion in February 2022, only 17 aircraft of this type remained on the wing. The Soviet Union developed the Su-25 aircraft in the 1970s to support ground forces. 1975 marked the first flight of the plane. Subsequently, the aircraft underwent numerous modifications and was used in multiple conflicts, such as Afghanistan, Chechnya, and Iraq. More than 30 nations continue to operate the Su-25, making it one of the most popular attack aircraft globally. The attack aircraft's ammunition is suspended from 10 hard points. The aircraft's combat load is 4.4 tons. Its range with a full load is 1,250 kilometers, and its top speed is 970 kilometers per hour. The empty weight is about 9,800 kilograms, the gross weight is approximately 14,440 kilograms, and the maximum launch weight is roughly 19,300 kilograms. The assault aircraft is equipped with a double-barreled 30mm Griasov Shipanov GSH-32 air cannon constructed according to the Gast design, gun designed by Karl Gast of Vorwerk und Company of Barmen. The gun is designed to defeat armored vehicles, openly located hostile personnel, and medium and close-range air targets. The Su-25 is a highly maneuverable aircraft that can rapidly change direction, avoid enemy missiles, and execute pinpoint strikes. The plane has numerous defense systems that enable it to survive combat.